So I bought this 2005 Ram 2500 4x4 with the Cummins diesel 5.9. Started working on the body, replacing some of the panels. I was fortunate enough to find some of the panels in black from a junk truck, so I didn't have to spray it. I was lucky there. So I put all the panels, the tailgate, fender, and a few other things that were black. The engine was in the truck, but it wasn't buttoned up. I bought some new tires for it, got them all set up, cleaned it, buffed it. The paint was original. It's an original paint car, no rust whatsoever. It sat really nice. You know, the stance was nice. You see it there, all finished up, cleaned up. So basically, you know, the person that bought it, Ralph out of Kentucky, he took it up. He took it up to his place and he finished it up. I buttoned up the thing. I cleaned all the interior. I took the carpet out. I had it all, you know, nice and tidy. I sprayed the carpet, pressure washed it, cleaned the whole interior. It was a full leather truck and fully loaded, really. It had a lot of extras on it. Nice truck. So I decided, let me go ahead and let her loose. And Ralph finished it up. He wrapped it up there, and last I heard, he sold the truck later on. So I was happy. Nice gentlemen, Ralph and Lori out of Kentucky. God bless you guys. So this is the before and after the pictures, and this is the truck running. Really nice. Came out really nice. I couldn't say anything negative about the truck because it truly turned out to be a nice truck. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're a new channel, we're growing, and we want to continue making more videos, and every little bit counts. Thank you so much.